Hey everybody, welcome to Planetary Awareness.
Hello!
My name is Dave Mascatello. I'm here with Brian Calvi.
How's it going?
Owner of the Farm of Life in Costa Rica. It's an awesome healing retreat center that I've been going to the last couple of years. And I found tremendous healing from going there and learned so many different things I've been able to apply in my life and change my life for the better. Yeah. So there's a lot of just love and intention that goes into this farm.
Yep.
And they hold a really good, powerful space for healing. So we're doing a retreat, sound healing retreat.
I'm excited about this.
Yeah.
I really am because, you've been coming to us. This is your fourth time. You've been coming for what, 3 years, 4 years?
Just 2 years.
Just
I've been
2 years?
here 4 times.
Yeah.
2 years.
So it's like twice a year. Yeah, it seems like it's a little longer. And my wife and I've always really enjoyed you, and you've always, you've really gotten into the sound healing. We play a gong on the farm, which intonates to subatomic chow. It intonates at all 7 chakras. We have the 7 chakra Tibetan singing bowls that I do. We have a crystal light healing bed. We use chanting, sound chanting while we're sun gazing. So we do a lot of light and sound on the farm. And you had told me a little bit about this couple. What's the name of them?
They're called Woven Green.
Woven Green.
Great friends of mine. And
hello, Woven Green.
Jim and Ashley Cash. They'll be here with us.
I look forward to meeting you.
And they are tremendous. Back home they do sound healing meditations and they do performances and they do yoga festivals.
They're a heck of a lot better than me, man. I mean, I like to play sound and like to do all that stuff, but from what I heard on the CDs, wow, I'm really looking forward to it.
Well, it's going to be amazing to combine them with what you do on the farm.
Yeah.
And it's just going to amplify, but we have a really good vision for what this is going to look like.
I look forward to it.
Yeah.
Is we never really done like a specific sound healing type, performances and individual sound healings and all the things that we've talked about that Woven Green's going to do. So I'm super excited about it. It's unique to the retreats and what happens at the farm. We do some sound healing, but a 1 week intensive with professionals like Woven Green, that's never happened, and I'm really, really excited about it.
And I'll just say, this is the 4th time right now I've been on the farm in 2 years, and the reason I keep coming back here is just there's so much more room to grow, and there's so many tools here, and so many things to explore with spiritual practices, with diets, with lifestyles. It's just amazing. I mean, you can come here for a vacation. You can also go deep into your spiritual journey.
Yep.
As well. So that's what's amazing about this place. And, we're here at the beach and we go to the waterfalls and we experience all these amazing things in nature.
Nature heals, right? Nature teaches us that we're just now, we're just present. And when people stop a little bit, stop being human doings and become human beings, which is all of nature, it's just being, that's when that healing can come in.
You got all the other sound healers, all the birds, and all the other animals, the cicadas.
Yep.
It's really cool.
The sound of the water at the waterfalls, the sound of these waves.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Anybody viewing this, really think about coming down to that Woven Green retreat. I'm really excited about it.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks, brother.
I love you, man.
Love you too. This is Dave, Brian.
And Brian.
Signing off.
Signing off. Love you.
Costa Rica.